Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, I request you to please support us. Click the subscribe button right now for new latest videos and uploads. So let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies of last 1 hour result. Oh my god, it's a good news for Vechain cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the change is positive 1.2% are the positive change of Vechain cryptocurrencies. So, and the high change is $0.085398 is the high change of Vechain cryptocurrencies, and that is the live price prediction of 24 March 2021 and the last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now on our channel. So please, if you don't subscribe our YouTube channel, click the subscribe button right now for more latest news and updates of cryptocurrencies. Let's see again the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies on the graph. As you can see here, as you can see now on the screen. So the Vechain cryptocurrencies starts a huge move. As you can see here, a huge move, moving upward. But after this time, it is bad news for Vechain cryptocurrencies. Their funds are starts now. As you can see here, their funds are start now. Vechain cryptocurrencies funds down at this time, and that is the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies of last 1 hour. So please, if you don't subscribe our YouTube channel, please just support us. Click the subscribe button now, and thank you so much for watching this video.